Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Are you ready to do a fun activity along with us? By the end of this video, we guarantee you that you will learn one of the concepts in mathematics. Materials required for this activity: notebook, protractor, sketch pen. If you have all the materials ready, let's begin. Place the protractor on one side of the notebook as shown. Tear two layers of the sheet to make two triangles. Remember to tear the paper from somewhere in the middle and not the corners. We get two congruent triangles. Name the corresponding papers as A, B and C for the two triangles respectively. Tear one of the triangles as shown. The alphabets represent angles. Place the triangle ABC on the protractor where the base of triangle AC and C is at the center of the protractor. Take angle A and angle B from the torn triangle. Angle C plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Then we can understand that the sum of angles of triangles is 180 degree. Now, let's repeat the activity by changing the base. Place the triangle ABC on the protractor where the base of the triangle is BC and B is at the center of the protractor. Repeat the same for angle A and angle C. Here we observe angle B plus angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Once again, the sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. The total measure of three angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree in both the steps. This shows us that changing the orientation of angles does not affect the sum of angles. We hope you have understood that the sum of angles in triangle is always 180 degree. Thank you for watching. This is Tan90 signing off.